Welcome to BMW Financial Services IT Roadshow. Today we want to showcase IT strategy, local and regional solutions. The vision of BMW Group IT is the digital key to the ongoing success of the BMW Group, with a tagline of Enjoy IT. The BMW Group IT strategy enables the BMW Group for digitalization by provision of key technologies, an adjusted project and service portfolio, and with a bimodal orientation. The structure of the BMW Group IT strategy is broken down into 4 strategic directions: IT in the product and in services, customer-centric IT service delivery, digitalization and business innovation, people and culture. There are 13 focus areas that determine the strategic focus within the strategic approaches. Let's look at customer-centric IT service delivery. To facilitate premium user experience, our global IT portfolio is aligned based on a service-oriented approach. This strategic direction has 4 focus areas: global IT service delivery, premium user experience, cooperation models, and managed security risks and compliance. To improve our processes, to increase efficiency and effectiveness of our IT services. This includes IT processes for application and operation support via ITSM, help desk, data fix requests, IT projects, change request and release planning, as well as end-of-month activity support. CAT Plus application, which is used for loan origination and implementation, is designed as a responsive web application to meet the premium user experience, which can be used on anywhere with internet and on any device. iPads are provided to sales team for demonstrating products and services which will gain premium user experience. Based on the business request, we enable cooperation as well as decoupling with service providers and/or cooperation partners. This includes in an interactive intelligence, customer interaction solution for customer service, outsource printing of customer contracts and letters, as well as sending out SMS to customers, bank interfaces, credit reports. Last month, we have successfully deployed CIMB as our collection bank, replacing MiBank, as well as implementing JumpPay for the ease of customers to make payment for their monthly installment. We ensure anticipatory implementation and professional management of regulatory issues, compliance and security requirements. This includes the implementation of IFRS 9 project, privacy impact assessment, coin interface with our application for anti-money laundering checking, Rampart security task force set up to ensure applications are secure. Let's look at digitalization and business innovation. We digitalize the business segments of the BMW Group through innovative enabling technologies, and data management is a strategic asset. This strategic direction has 3 focus areas: enterprise information management, digitalization of existing business areas, and enabler technologies. Digitalization in sales, finance and remarketing aims to provide an integrated BMW customer experience across all touchpoints. To ensure right use of enterprise data, expert consumer scorecard and semi-expert corporate scorecard for motor business is implemented based on application and credit reports data. Scorecard helps credit acceptance officer in approvals, and hence decisions can be made faster. Credit assessment will be consistent for all the customers. Also, to provide the enterprise data to the power users, we had implemented Report Builder with predefined data models, so that users can create custom reports with custom filters and parameters. These reports can be reused to share, enhance or change in future. To digitalize existing business areas, automation of operational reports is in progress. Intention to repossess ITR letters generation is automated, where ITR is generated by just selecting a date. Lot of manual CIC letters are going to be automated soon. We are going to work closely with the business associates to understand and automate manual processes. We are using latest technologies like Twitter Bootstrap VY, MVC5 framework, the lightweight and high-performance applications, AngularJS and jQuery for premium client experience, and SQL Server 2014 for better scalability and security. Let's look at people and culture. We trust in a culture of collaboration and focus on expanding our technical knowledge to facilitate extraordinary customer experience. This strategic direction have three focus areas: skills and competencies, culture and mindset, and BMW Group is an attractive employer for IT. To ensure all the team members have knowledge on all of the applications and solutions, we are going to conduct knowledge sharing sessions before every release for all of IT team. We are targeting this year to improvise the documentation process for all new projects and document existing applications where there is no or partial documentation exists. We have implemented IT Talk with individual departments to better understand issues with IT and open discussion to collect feedback on service delivery. This session also helps IT and business to communicate on the upcoming or ongoing changes in IT processes. We are planning to conduct team building activities, planning to implement flexi work hours and work from home options for achieving BMW Group as an attractive employer for IT. Let's see the initiatives being implemented by IT. MyCat is one of the core systems used in BMW Financial Services to process loan applications from customer. It is a web-based workflow application that sales team captures the customer application details, interfaces with secrets from central bank for credit checking and finally processing payments to the dealers. The limitations and issues with existing MyCat requires login to BMW corporate network only when the application can work. Designed using predefined static workflow which requires more effort to implement changes. User interface is not responsive and requires compatibility mode for other browser versions. All these issues make the end user frustrated. Now, we are replacing MyCat with Cat Plus to overcome all the issues and limitations we mentioned earlier. Cat Plus can be accessible via internet without compromising BMW security policy. Designed using MVC5 framework and HTML5 which works effectively on slower network connections. Cat Plus uses Twitter Bootstrap UI which is responsive and fits in on any device. Cat Plus uses dynamic workflow engine which is easier to adapt to business process changes. Improved tasks, notifications and messages. Custom user dashboards are designed for each department. Integrated with Google Maps API to fetch addresses online. Remote desktop with our ESA token for enhanced security. With Business Operations Department being moved to the Regional Service Centre located Melbourne, Australia, security becomes a very critical aspect to ensure the RSC team in Australia are able to access the applications located in Malaysia. In order to achieve that, we introduced the dual authentication method and line encryption to securely transmit data across the network. This enhanced dual authentication leverages on the existing VPN token. Conventional desktop works on one-level authentication. With enhanced two-step security with our ESA, token connections between user and application server are secured and encrypted. Smart device audit. Every dealer needs to be audited regularly on the floor stock vehicles financed by an FSC. This is to ensure that the said vehicles are not sold and the contract with us are not settled. Currently, the audit process is tediously conducted manually. China and Japan has implemented a solution to improve the efficiency of the audit process. We would like to introduce you to Smart Device Audit, for short SDA. It is an application based on iOS platform, helping floor plan auditors to work in a more efficient way for handling daily business. Audit process without SDA. All the audit tasks are manually created, and tasks have to be assigned manually through papers and by emails. Audits have to carry the task paper and a flashlight to complete the daily audit tasks. Identification of each vehicles are done manually. But now with SDA, all the audit process can be done easily using their iOS devices, and the final reporting is generated automatically, which is more fast and easy. SDA key features. SDA captures GPS location to locate the vehicle premises. SDA uses OCR scan to identify the IN and registration number. Complete paperless transactions. To eliminate fraud, mandatory photos are captured in the system. SDA also comes with web application which displays all the information that was captured using iOS devices and for reporting. Thank you for attending the roadshow. Enjoy IT.